truck to take a look at it, unique, especially in classics. 2000 Ford F-250 Super Duty. It's an XLT extended cab 4x4. This is a 4-door truck, of course. Silver metallic, gray cloth interior. Nicely equipped, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. We'll get around to the interior, check that out, see what we have for interior options. First off, if you'd like to take a look at the still pictures, so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, bed of this truck, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. A little over 110,000 miles on this. Spent the majority of its ownership in the state of Iowa. Nice truck for somebody looking for a 4x4, one to tow. That 5.4 liter Triton V8 underneath the hood. Automatic transmission. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, running boards, taking a look at the lower rockers, look like nice shape. Above the wheel wells, looking good. And also a fair amount of tread left on those tires too, so you're not going to need rubber on this truck right away. Tonneau cover, nice accessory to have, of course. I'm going to spray in bed liner, lightly coated one. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures too. Once again, check out those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trailering package, nice flaps on it. A few small imperfections, you know, maybe a little chip here and there, but overall, considering the age of this truck, well taken care of, and it shows. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. 40-20-40 split bench seat, it looks like. And like I said, these are 4-door extended cabs. You get an idea of the rear seat, and those will fold up for more storage. Cargo capabilities. Of course, tilt column, AM, FM cassette, and CD. Have all the bases covered there. Keyless entry. There's the exact miles, what, 111,788. Start it up, let's hear it run. Check out the dash. Any sort of check engine light, service engine soon, nothing. Just the seatbelt warning indicator, because I don't have that on. And all gauges appear to be working just fine. Of course, 4x4 switch. Stereo system. Working order. Flip around to the back so you can hear it run. We'll pop this hood too. I guess what you'd expect it to sound like. Again, 5.4 liter Triton V8 underneath the hood. I'll slip up to the front. Let's check out this engine bay. See, that's nice and clean like the rest of this truck. Let me pause this a second. I'll get that hood open. And there we go. Take a look at the engine bay. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC. The AC blows cold and nice and clean and tidy. Kind of what I expected by looking at the rest of this truck. Sounds as it should. A lot of use left in this vehicle. 2000 Ford F-250 XLT Super Duty Extended Cab 4x4. Nice looking truck, well maintained. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation in this vehicle. May be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2000 Ford F-250. I'm going to take it for a drive for you. If you can't see the gauges, we're at half on fuel. The temperature is about a quarter on the gauge. Battery is about 14. And the oil pressure is 3/4 on the gauge. Radio works good. Blower motor works. Smooth riding truck. It's got good power. It's an automatic with overdrive, cruise, power accessories. Really a good condition vehicle. Let's see, get her up to speed here. Noises or vibrations to speak of. Now it's got some good tread on the tires. We got a bench seat in the back. Be a good reliable truck for somebody.